Elementor pricing plans explained, watch before using. If you're considering Elementor to build your WordPress website, understanding its pricing plans is crucial to avoid overpaying or choosing the wrong plan. Elementor is one of the most popular website builders, offering both free and premium features. The free version is great for basic site building, but if you want access to premium templates, advanced widgets, and robust design capabilities, you'll need a paid plan. Let's break down each plan to help you decide which one suits your needs best. First, there's Elementor Essential at $59 per year. This plan covers one website and includes all pro features like premium widgets, advanced motion effects, WooCommerce tools, and form builders. It's perfect for individual bloggers, small business owners, or anyone building a single site who needs more customization than the free version offers. Next, we have Elementor Advanced at $99 per year for up to 3 websites. This plan is ideal for freelancers or small agencies managing a few client websites. You get the same features as the Essential plan, but the multi-site support adds more flexibility for professionals managing multiple projects. For larger agencies or developers, the Elementor Expert plan costs $199 per year and covers up to 25 websites. Besides the pro features, you get the Elementor Expert Network profile, which boosts your visibility in the Elementor community. If you're offering web design services, this plan can help you attract more clients. Then there's the Studio plan at $499 per year, covering up to 100 websites. It includes VIP support with faster response times, making it perfect for agencies handling a high volume of sites. Finally, the Agency plan costs $999 per year for up to 1,000 websites. This is designed for large-scale businesses or agencies with a massive client portfolio. The key benefit here is the VIP support and scalability for managing numerous websites. So, which plan is best for you? If you're building just one site, stick with the Essential plan. Freelancers should consider the Advanced or Expert plans, and agencies will benefit from the Studio or Agency plans, depending on their size. In conclusion, Elementor's pricing is flexible, but you need to match the right plan to your specific needs to avoid wasting money. Make sure you assess your website goals and client base before purchasing.